up internet. Today we're going to be putting this thing up on jack stands so we can get started on putting it in the clutch. First step is always jack up your car. Subframe so I can put the jack stands on the jack points. Always be cautious of the way your jack's sitting and adjust it if you need to. Alright, it's good enough for now. Get it up in the air. Set it down on this one. Try to get it slow. Side. Go up a little higher. I think we're it. Yep. So she's got, Captain. Let's try to get up a little higher. Try to control one. I don't like it. Nope, not doing it. Alright, well, crap. Gonna have to do. Alright, we're gonna try something. Let's see if I can get in here. Frame. There we go. Like that. 3 knots is showing. I don't like that. It should reset when I go to the other side. So of course nothing can be easy, but got it up, should be high enough to get in there and start doing the things. So yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. If you like what I got, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, write some comments. Yeah, thank you.